Good morning everyone. My name is Urvashi Barman. I am from class 7. Today I am here to represent a presentation on social reformers of India who gave their life to remove the discrimination for our society.
Good morning everyone. My name is Dushyant Singh and I am studying class 7. Today I am here to represent Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. So let's start. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great philosopher, politician, academic. डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन बहुत ही महान फिलोसफर और पॉलिटिशियन थे। सेकंड पॉइंट पे आते हैं। He served as the first vice president, second president of India. उन्होंने सर्विस दी थी वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, सेकंड प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया की। थर्ड, he was born on September 5, 1888 in तिरुनाती, तमिलनाडु। उनका जन्म हुआ था 5 सितंबर 1888 तिरुनाती, जो कि तमिलनाडु में है। फोर्थ पॉइंट, his father name was सर्वपल्ली वीरस्वामी and his mother name was सीतम्मा। उनके पिताजी का नाम था सर्वपल्ली वीरस्वामी, उनकी माँ का नाम था सीतम्मा। फिफ्थ पॉइंट, Dr. Radhakrishnan was a brilliant student since his childhood. वो अपने बचपन में बहुत ही होशियार थे। He completed his graduation post graduation from Madras Christian College. उन्होंने अपनी ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट की थी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन मद्रास क्रिश्चियन कॉलेज से। 7 पॉइंट क्या है? He was awarded भारत रत्न in 1954 by the Indian government. उनको अवार्ड दिया गया था 1954, भारत रत्न का अवार्ड दिया गया 1954। 9th point, he took his last breath in 17 अप्रैल 1975. उन्होंने अपनी आखिरी सांस ली थी 17 अप्रैल 1975 में। डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन इज एन इंस्पिरेशन फॉर अस। वो हम लोगों के लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन है। थैंक यू, वेलकम।
I am representing Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's full name was Abul Pakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. He had born on 15th October 1931. Kalam had sold newspapers to supplement his family's income. He accomplished his aeronautical engineering from Madras Institute of Technology in 1960. His childhood dream was to become a fighter pilot. He joined the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO as a scientist after his graduation. He joined the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO in 1969. Kalam served as the project director of Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle 3rd PSLV-3rd. His dexterity in space science made him popular as the Missile Man of India. He was the 11th President of Republic of India. He took his last breath on 27th July 2015. Thank you.
My name is Aditya Sen. I am representing Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the founder of Brahmo Samaj, one of the first Indian social religions inform movement. He was a great scholar and independent thinker. He was a religious social reformer and he is known as father of modern India or father of the Bengal resistance. He was born in Radhanagar, West Bengal on May 22, 1772. He is most well known for his efforts to abolish the evil practice of sati system in 1829 by the declaring in an official. It advocated freedom of the press and condemned any innovation on it by the government. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Drishti Jain and I am representing Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati was born on 12 February 1824 in Thankra, Gujarat, in Brahmin family. His parents Lalji Tiwari and Yashodbhai were Orthodox Brahmin. He was earlier named Mool Shankara Tiwari as he was born during Mool Nakshatra. Swami Dayanand ranked highest among the monks of modern India. He had worked tirelessly for the political, religious and culture of the country. He was guided by the reason, taking Hinduism back to the Vedic foundation. He had tried to reform society with a clean sweep, which was again needed today. He died on 30 October 1883 in Ajmer, Rajputana. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Mitali Rathod and I am here to represent Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was great Indian philosopher, social reformer and writer. He was born in 1820 in Kolkata. He was a key figure in Bengal. He is important in the history of modern India education. In 1855, Vidyasagar was adopted a special inspector of school for district of Hooghly, Midnapur, Bardhaman and Nadio. This motivated him to establish schools all over Bengal to spread the light of education. He also established 30 schools for girls. He died in 1891. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Yashasvi Rathod. Today I am here to represent a social reformer about Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was a freedom fighter, social activist and a lawyer by profession. He was the first president of independent India from 1950 to 1962. He was born on 3rd December 1884 in Ziradeh village of Siwan district. He did his basic schooling from Chhapra and high school at Patna. He first started his career as a lawyer and then as a teacher and then he became a noted lawyer. He was introduced to Congress in 1906 and formally joined it in 1911. He met Mahatma Gandhi at a session of Congress in Lucknow in 1916. He actively participated in Quit India and non-cooperation movements. He became President of India and re-elected for 2 consecutive terms. He died on 28 February 1963 in Patna after resigning as a president. Thank you. My name is Jiasan and I am here to telling on Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. So let's start. Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji was born on 2nd of October 1894 in Ramnagar, Varanasi. He was the second child of his parents. He did his primary schooling at Mughalsar and Varanasi. He completed his graduation in Rasi in Hindi, English and philosophy. He was against the caste system and even dropped his surname Shrivastava. The title of Shastri was the education title given after he completed his graduation. He got married to Lalita Devi in 1928. He was the second Prime Minister of independent India. He gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan at the time of Indo-Pak War 1965, signifies the importance of farmer and soldiers. Shastri Ji died in Tashkent on 11 January 1966 after signing the Tashkent Pact. Thank you.